Hi everybody and welcome to another video. My name is Torge Petersen. In this video I will show you the PLUS+1 Guide Qt plugin, also called Framework, which has been added in version 2024.2. This Qt framework allows you to include Qt graphics in PLUS+1 Guide applications. In this video I will start showing you a short overview about Qt tool and the requirements to use this feature in Guide, show you the guide features and new components related to the Qt plugin, and also the needed steps to build up a guide Qt project. First of all, what is Qt? Qt is an application framework and graphical user interface toolkit for cross-platform development of programs and graphical user interfaces. With the support of Qt framework in our Danfoss UX development, it will bring more flexibility, short development time, and enhanced design capabilities for display programming. To use Qt Project and Guide, Qt version 6.5 is needed. Inside the Qt tool, if it's a design studio or creator, the QRC resource file can be generated, and this file needs to be added to the guide project, which I will show you in the following. Since the Qt framework has been implemented to the guide version 2024.2, this is the minimum software version needed to use Qt in Guide. It also requires specific Qt HWD version for the display hardware, which supports Qt. Let's have a look to the new guide features related to Qt framework. As I already said, minimum guide version 2024.2 is needed. To be able to create a project with a Danfoss hardware which supports Qt, the HWD needs to be installed first. Next step is create a new project and select the display hardware which supports Qt. So in my case, as it's shown here, it is the DM700. The look and feel of Guide is still the same. The Qt support display HWD has a template with the input, output, and application pages. What has been added related to the Qt support is the Qt QML project folder and the Qt QML interface component. The Qt QML project folder includes the generated QRC resource file from the Qt tool. The Qt resource file is a platform-independent mechanism for storing binary files in the application's executable. This file does include the display development created with the Qt tool with all the icons, images, buttons, menu selections, and functions shown on the display. To add this file to the Qt QML project folder inside Guide, just right-click and select Add Qt QRC file. This file cannot be changed or modified inside Guide. It is a generated file from the Qt Design Studio or Qt Creator. Another step which needs to be mentioned is to set the path of the Qt QRC file. If you right-click on the added QRC resource file, you can select if the path to the reference QRC will be stored as an absolute or relative path. The latter is a recommended setting when you plan to share the project with others, for example. Another added Qt-related feature and guide is the Qt QML interface component, which you will find in the component tab in the display group. As you can see, all known vector-based screen components are not listed, since these are not supported for Qt-supported hardware. This Qt QML interface component provides the interface between Guide and the added Qt QRC resource file. Inside a Guide project, only one instance of the Qt QML interface is allowed. This component provides one input and one output bus where all inputs and outputs needs to be connected. So any display related value, signal, and parameter from the Guide project needs to be connected on this component buses. The available input and output signals needs to be defined inside the Qt project. Therefore, only the following Qt types are supported and needs to be used inside Guide, like the integer values like S32 and F64, Boolean data types, and strings. The guide component retype can help you to change to and from other integer types. The guide software can be compiled and downloaded to the available hardware via Service Tool as usual. In case there is no hardware available, you can use the virtual breakout board to simulate the display screen. Just compile your project with debug, go to the debug folder in your project folder, and run the exe file. In the following, I will briefly summarize the individual steps how to use Qt graphics in the guide application. Before you start creating a new project, guide version 2024.2 or later needs to be installed, since this is a minimum software version needed to use Qt in guide. A generated QRC resource file from Qt Design Studio or Creator must exist, and the HWD version for the display hardware which supports Qt needs to be installed. As soon as these requirements are met, we can start. Open Guide 2024.2 or later, create new project and select the Qt supported display. Add the Qt QRC file and select the relative path. Drag and drop the Qt QML interface component into your guide application and connect the in and out signals. We hope that you found this video useful. Remember that PLUS+1 community help is available on the PLUS+1 user forum. Check out other videos on our YouTube channel or contact the PLUS+1 help desk. Thank you for your attention.